Hello everyone, in today's session I'm going to talk about the fast growing IT consulting company which is none other than Datamatics Global Services Limited, and they are the global provider of information technology, business process management and consulting services, and they are providing intelligent solutions for data driven businesses to increase productivity and enhancing the customer experiences. And they have customers across different sectors: banking, financial services, insurance, healthcare, manufacturing, international organizations, and media publishing. I think they had covered almost all the customers in all aspects, and this shows the tremendous business services in all verticals. And for me, the most fascinating thing is, and this company has developed different products in various high growth segments, which includes robotic process automation, intelligent document processing, business intelligence, and automatic fare collection. Let's look at the products to understand the business development. The first product, TruCap Plus, it is an intelligent document processing solution for businesses. TruBot, it is a robotic process automation software, which is a digital workforce product enabling unattended and attended automation for a wide range of tasks and processes. IPM, it is a web-based workflow system designed for accounts payable and accounts receivable processes. TruBI, it is a visual analytics solutions that offers an enterprise-ready business intelligent platform that provides a modern and responsive user interface. Having said all this, I've come up with a conclusion, and it's my opinion this company is going to have a phenomenal growth in the next couple of years, and it's a very good company for a long term. That's all for today. Let's look at the stock price. I'll get you some good stock in the next video.